Thank you, Madam Speaker. This is a similar situation like 279 and 297. But do you really think that I should answer this? Because the number that appeared in the question paper was 562. This does not exist. But if you... Oh, wow. Oh. But if you want, then I will, Madam
Speaker. That was...
The number that has been stated, 562, it does not exist within the LTA. This is what I'm saying.
Thank you. It was amended to 582. Does that appear in your system? 582, does that appear in your texting system?
582, yes.
Please answer the question.
Okay,
then.
thank you, Madam Speaker. Madam Speaker, the 582 texting platform is an initiative from the Land Transport Authority to encourage and involve the general public in helping and supporting LTA. This initiative allows all Fijians to access to a free texting system. Madam Speaker, the 582 platform also provides the general public an avenue to raise their complaints and concerns to LTA services and its staff as well. Madam Speaker, in terms of verification, let me outline the process that LTA has in place. Firstly, all complaints received through 582 and not 562 are registered and automatically acknowledged, calling and advising the offender of the complainant. Upon confirmation by the offender, actions such as warning, counseling, issuance of traffic infringement notice are served. Upon denial by the offender, the complainant is then called to provide his or her statement. If the complainant fails to provide his or her statement or evidence of the complainant, then the complaint is marked as closed. Offender is advised accordingly. Thank you, Madam Speaker. This is part of the review that we're having at LTA. Thank you.
Supplementary question.
Supplementary question.
Thank you, Madam Speaker. I seem to not hear the proper answers from the Minister in terms of authenticating the information that have been given by the general public. But anyway, on the answers that has been given, can the Minister advise how many complaints have been received by the LTA on this 582 texting system?
Thank you. That is statistical in nature. The onus is on the Honourable Minister to answer or not to answer.
Madam Speaker, I can always provide in the future.
Thank you.
To the Honourable Member.